And now it's my pleasant task to invite our joint organizing secretaries to the stage to give the organizing secretary report. They've been young, dynamic, untiring, unflagging, and here they are. Dr. Anuradha, Dr. Rajesh, Dr. Sarika.
Just a small request, since we are running late in this inauguration ceremony, the first sessions which were scheduled to start at 2 o'clock, we are pushing it by 2:20. So I request all of you to please be seated for this. I have the organizing secretaries take over.
Good afternoon, everyone. So, Dr. Anuradha, myself, Dr. Rajesh Parekh and Dr. Sarika are here to present the organizing secretary report. We had total of 540 registrations. We are really thankful to all the delegates and all the postgraduates and fellows as well as trade and state as well as national faculty for this. It's the maximum so far in a physical conference, viewers conference. We are provided with this venue, St. John's Auditorium, the state-of-the-art rooms for a smooth running of our conference, and we are extremely thankful to Father Jesudas Rajamanikam, the Director, St. John's Academy, and Father Tony AJ, and the people who are behind all this is our President, Vice President, Regis Sir and Dr. Sunita Madam. Our NCP is broadly divided into subcommittees as to registration committee, inauguration ceremony committee, and audiovisual, all in charges, travel, accommodation, food, banquet, wet labs, and beyond ophthalmology subcommittees for smooth functioning towards perfection. Thank you.
It was a pleasure to be a part of the organizing team of BOS Summit this time. As Dr. Anuradha pointed out, we had split up our responsibilities so that each aspect of the organization will be taken care of. We had our food partners, Swati Group, who were our caterers for the event. Their food was appreciated by one and all. They were very prompt with a response to every request, and I have to specially thank them to have helped us with our Go Green initiative. They worked really hard to maintain the water supplies areas with fresh glasses and also to supply the halls with glass water bottles. It was difficult, and I admit that it was not without a mess, but it was definitely a step towards a good cause. I urge everyone again to use the sanitized bottle provided to you in your kit for refill and use. And a sumptuous banquet was also organized by the same caterers, Swati caterers at Mangala Club yesterday. We had melodious music flowing through the night, and it was great food. Everybody appreciated the same. Thank you.
Taking forward, happy to be part of the organizing committee. Our transport partners, HMS Travels, Mr. Farhan, we want to thank them, and Mr. Hussain, especially for the seamless coordination with the delegates and prompt response to the last minute requests from our delegates. We had also arranged accommodation for the faculty members at the Mangala Club, and we thank Reggie Thomas for the arrangement and excellent quality rooms, guest rooms. It was so close to the venue, and we're thankful for you. So you have suggested that, and we thank you with our heart. We have also tried to keep innovation in our minds in this BOS Summit. The Go Green initiative, which has been there, is one of them, and we have been following it up since the last summit. And we have tried our best to keep this commitment of Go Green as possible. We also look at the non-ophthalmic sessions in which we have kept the passion beyond practice, and we have kept this session within I've got experts for this. We had Mr. Nitish, we had Mr. Dr. Timapa Hegde, we had Mr. Neil Parekh and Dr. Srinivas, who was there, and it was well received. We are thankful for them to have come and given us their talk. Regarding the finance management, we have a session on finance management which will be followed. We request everybody to attend that, and we have thanked them And this has been carried over from leading, and it's been well received and a lot of inquiries. We had other sessions on practice management, and it's been thing, and also the wet lab was well received by the delegates and the postgraduates.
Our president keeps telling us that this is the youngest MC that's working with lot of enthusiasm. Thank you, sir. Actually, we are thoroughly, and even for small bits, we are guided by our president, vice president, secretary, and treasurer. Thank you, sir, and thank you, Samir ma'am, for all this. And we will surely thank our past president, Dr. Jyoti Shetty madam. And today we have our past president, Dr. G.V. Divakar sir, as our KMC observer. Thank you, sir, for raising your question and being so patient with us. Thank you.
Thank you, team.